Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Montessori online classes. I'm your teacher Midhat Ali. Dear kids, today we will do a lot of fun. Do you remember your previous lesson? Your teacher has told you about 3 sounds. Let's recall them.
K, J, V. K, J, V. K, J, V.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. J, 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 jelly. What is the starting sound of jelly? J, j, jelly. J, jug. J, jug. You can see some water in the jug. J, jug. What is the starting sound of jug? J, 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 juice. J, juice. Do you like juice? This glass is full of orange juice, and orange is very good for your health because it contains vitamin C. J, juice. J, joker. J, joker. Do you know who is Joker? Okay, I'll tell you. Joker is someone who likes telling funny stories and doing things in order to make people laugh. Joker जो है वो अपने funny expressions and अपनी different stories से हमें खुश करने की कोशिश करता है. So, the starting sound of Joker is J. J, J, joker.
Okay, now students, open page number 26 and 27 with the help of your parents. And now, trace on sound J. Like this. Now again trace on sound J. Like this. Okay, after tracing in sound J, you will circle the object which begins with J. J, jelly. You will circle jelly. And now you will color the jug. You will do coloring in jug and do nice coloring in jug. Now, on page number 27, you will match J with its correct pictures. J, jug. J, jelly. J, joker. J, juice. And then you will again write or trace in sound J. One by one, you trace in J. Trace in J sound like this. Now, kids, we will learn about V sound, and we will learn new words with V sound. V, van. V, van. आप सब लोग वैन में ट्रेवल करते होंगे ना? बहुत सारे बच्चे वैन पर स्कूल भी आते हैं. What is this? Van. Van. What is this? This is volleyball. 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 Volleyball is a game, और इस गेम में 2 टीम्स होती हैं और हर टीम में 6 प्लेयर्स होते हैं. वॉलीबॉल. वॉलीबॉल. was. Was. This is vase. Vase is used for decoration purpose. आपने देखा होगा कि मामा घर में डेकोरेशन के लिए वाज में फ्लावर्स भी लगाती हैं. So, the starting sound of vase is v. Vest. Vest. आप सब जब सूट पहनते हैं तो उसके नीचे यूजुअली हम ये वेस्ट भी वेयर करते हैं, एंड ये विदाउट स्लीव्स होती हैं. Vest. What is the starting sound of vest is? Vest. Now kids, open page number 56 and 57 and trace in sound V. Trace in sound V like this. Now circle the object which begins with sound V, and you will circle vase. Now you will color the vase. Start coloring and do neat coloring in vase. Teacher is doing brown color in vase. And I am using little bit green color, and now sky blue color. आप भी अपनी चॉइस से जो कलर करना चाहेंगे वो कलर कर सकते हैं, but try to do nice coloring. Now kids, on page number 57, you will trace in sound V. And now you will join V sound with its related pictures. V, vest, V, van, V, volleyball. And now you will trace in sound V. One by one, you will trace in sound V. V. Like this.
Okay, now take care of yourself. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.